Hi guys, this is Mar, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check on your Gmail account the purchases that you have made in the recent days. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So whenever we make a purchase, we usually give the company our email and we either receive a confirmation from our purchase or maybe a receipt. And to check that, what we're going to do is simply open Gmail and you're going to select purchases. It's going to be right under drafts. Once you click on purchases, here you're going to see every single purchase that you have made and where they have sent you either a receipt or information about your order. Maybe you placed an Amazon order, it's going to show you the status of your order in case you have that set up with Amazon. This is a great way to keep track of what you purchase and to keep track of your expenses as well. In case one of these companies continues to send you spam emails, you can simply click on the email and right next to their email, you're going to click on unsubscribe. Simply go ahead and confirm your action and you will stop getting messages from this company. I hope this video helped you and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.